guys, so today I am gonna be doing a review slash first impression on Juvalips, the natural lip plumper. I'm very excited to try this because everyone wants fuller lips, and of course I also want big plumped lips, and I'm very excited. I've heard a lot of good things about this, and let's go ahead and try this on. So this comes with, the tool looks like this. It's electronic device, so I'm very excited. So it comes like this. It says Juvalips. Anyway, so the battery goes in there. I'm gonna go ahead and put the battery in there. Let's see. Okay, do this way. Oh, so weird. Okay, and okay, so we're gonna close this up. The battery is in there. Close this thing up. Let's make sure that it works. Yeah. So battery goes right in there. We're gonna hit this button when I'm ready. It's gonna look like this, and there is a pad in there. So if you spit, the pad absorbs it, and it comes with extra pads too. It also came with a little pouch for this tool, which is really cool. So if I travel, I can just shove it in there. Alright, let's see what the box says. Alright, instructions. Battery, which I already did that. Wet your lips or apply lip balm before using. This may help provide a better seal. Let's go ahead and put some lip balm on. I'm gonna use, this is Emily Corton, a kiss full of luxe and charm. So this is just a lip balm. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. It's really dry too, so alright, lip balm's done. Alright, simply place the Juvalips device against your lip and push and release the button. Allow an airtight seal to form. It is automatically timed and will stop after 60 seconds. So that's really good. Alright, let's go ahead and do this. Alright. Okay, my foundation's all messed up, but I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna try one more time because I don't think it was as tight as I wanted it to be. Alright, we're gonna try one more time. I mean, I could see it plumping a little bit, but I want a little bit more, so we're gonna go ahead and do it one more time. And this time I'm gonna make sure it's sealed super tight, so let's go ahead. I can definitely see the difference. Oh my god. What do you guys think? My tongue hurts too for some reason. Oh my god. I was trying to hold on to it for a while because it's only 60 seconds, but oh my god, 60 seconds feel so long, and I feel like I already can't talk properly. Alright. Alright. Let's see. I see it. I'm gonna do one more time to see how big I can get without making me look crazy. All right, let's do one more time. Oh my god, that one hurt a lot more. Alright, my jaw hurts now. Alright, I'm gonna stop this because I think that's perfect. I don't want any bigger than that. It's definitely a little bit bigger. It hurts right around here, but it's actually not like a bruising hurt. You can't see any bruises, which is really good. So it's just plumped my lip, and I think that's a really good amount. I don't want too big because I don't want to look very unnatural. So I think this is perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lips. So I'm gonna give a thumbs up for this. I love it. Can't wait to use it. And it does say that it's gonna last. Bops. All right. Let's see. It does say that the results last for 6 to 8 hours, or even longer. Longer after repeated use. So we'll find that out, and I'll let you guys know how long did it last. But this is, I mean, it worked really good. It wasn't as painful as I thought it would be because I watched videos before I wanted to try it on myself, and there were some videos who said that it was super painful, but I don't think it was that painful. Yeah, so it wasn't that painful, but definitely worked, and I can't wait to put some lipstick on. So let's go ahead and do my lips. I'm just gonna do a neutral, natural lip, because I can't decide what color lip I want. This is Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick. The color is Slay Tan. It's one of the new color that just came out. And I was trying not to overdraw it, and I accidentally did it. So it's gonna look really big. So I'm gonna say thumbs up to this Juvalips lip plumper. I really like it. My lips definitely bigger than normal, and I can't wait for you guys to try it and let me know what you guys think if you do try it. And there's my face for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and don't forget to find me on Instagram. It's MONYCATAMANG. Thank you so much, guys, for watching me today. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you guys soon. Mwah.